lucky to be in Northern California during Dungeness crab season. It's this really short, special, brief moment that fortunately for us coincides with the holidays. So for our holiday hacienda at home, we're gonna make a Dungeness crab feast. So we're out here in Tiburon, it's beautiful. Our friend Philippe is gonna take us out on his boat and hopefully we'll catch some crab.
I've been crabbing for about 49 years. I started crabbing right after I started walking with my grandmother. So I'm really at peace when I'm on the ocean. We're looking for yellow buoys, yellow and another one, red and white.
We got a view!
So they're plenty big, so that's the legal size. So they're bigger than legal size, so we're good.
How do you choose where you drop the pots?
Well, what I do is I go and sing.
Sing?
Yeah, and it attracts the crab. So I don't really choose, I mean the crabs choose to go to my pots.
They find you, you
Yeah,
don't find them.
that's how it works. Yeah, you want to stay in the boat.
He's still working. We got our crabs, we'll head back to the farm and cook them up. Thank you, Philippe.
Thank you, Kelly.
All right, we made it back to the farm. We have our beautiful crab that we went and caught this morning. We had the most magical morning out on the water with Philippe. So we're going to boil the crab, clean it up, and toss it in some chili oil and then throw it on the grill. And we'll make a aioli and some potatoes. When crab's this good, it's kind of all you want to do. Keep it simple. Okay, first thing to do is boil these crab. You want to keep them cold in the fridge as long as possible, and that'll keep them relaxed. So I just have a big pot of boiling water, and we'll throw these in, and they'll boil for about 13 minutes. While those are cooking, we can start prepping our chili oil. Okay, so to make our chili oil, we're gonna have some ground chili. These are just dried chilies. You can use paprika or any kind of sweet chili. A little bit of heat is nice, but we don't want it to overpower the crab. So chili, some salt. We'll mix that up, and then we'll add a little bit of grated garlic, some parsley, and red wine vinegar. A little taste. Yum. Good. Okay, that's ready. Now we'll make our aioli. I have a clove of garlic here that I'm gonna pound with a pinch of salt. 1 egg yolk. Such a pretty show. And then we'll slowly whisk in this oil. I'm gonna start with a spoon so I can make sure I do it slow enough. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of lemon juice in here too. Homemade mayonnaise. Delicious. All right, our crab timer has gone off, so now we can pull them out of the water. Oh man, I'm pumped. So now we'll just throw these in the fridge and let them cool off, and then we can clean them. Here's some delicious waxy potatoes I boiled off in really salty water. We're just gonna cut them in half and then toss them with some olio nuovo and flaky salt. These look so good. Try one. A good potato. Can't be mad about it. Okay, so our crab have cooled off, and now we're gonna clean them. So to do that, you wanna pull the top off first. So we'll pull it from back to front. And then we can remove some of these inners. And then hold the legs in each hand and then fold it in half. And it'll break apart. Then you remove this little beak, the mouth. Just dip it in water. Now we're gonna crack our crab so that way when we toss the chili oil on it, some of those flavors and seasonings get into the meat. And you're pre-cracking for your friends, which is very nice. I think that's good. The claws are the most important, those are the thick ones. Now we can toss our crab in the chili oil. I want to get as much in the little bodies as I can. I just found a little chunk of meat in the bottom of the bowl. Oh my God. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. All right, it's the moment we've been waiting for. Get these on the grill. Have a look. See, we're getting a little bit of char, so we can go ahead and flip these. Okay, let's plate some of our potatoes down here on the platter. Just warm them up a little bit over the fire. Now we can grab the crab. Smells amazing. We'll just throw some fresh parsley on top, make it festive. Let's have a leg, because we gotta. We've worked hard for this crab. Oof. Look at that chunk. Oh my God. It is so delicious. So sweet, warm, and a little bit smoky, but just tastes like the ocean. So fresh. And like the lemon and herbs and chili. The best. You wait all year. I wait all year for this to happen.